Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you all the best. In this video we will practice English through Tom's story and his mysterious box that he found it in the forest. Don't forget subscribe and let's to destroy the impossible. The mysterious box. Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, there lived a boy named Tom. Tom was a curious boy who loved exploring the forest near his house. One sunny afternoon, while walking through the trees, he found a small wooden box hidden under some leaves. The box was old and had strong symbols carved on it. Tom tried to open it, but it was locked. He shook the box and heard something rattling inside. What could it be? He thought. His curiosity grew stronger. Tom took the box home and showed it to his mother. She was an old wise woman who loved telling stories. She looked at the box and said, "This is no ordinary box, Tom. It's a mystery box. Long ago, it was said that these boxes hid treasures, but only the kind-hearted can open them." Tom felt excited but confused. Who could he open the box? His grandmother smiled and said, "You must do three kind things, and the box will open on its own." The next day, Tom decided to help his neighbor, Mr. Rose, carry his heavy groceries. She thanked them with a big smile. That was the first kind act. Later, Tom saw a little bird stuck in a net. Carefully, he freed the bird and watched it fly away happily. That was the second kind act. Finally, Tom shared his favorite sandwich with the hungry stray dog he met near the river. The dog wagged its tail and licked Tom's hand. That was the third kind act. When Tom returned home, the box was glowing softly. Slowly, it unlocked and opened. Inside, there was a small, shiny crystal and a note. The note read, "Kindness is the real treasure. Keep pride in it, and your heart will always be full." Tom smiled. He didn't find gold or jewels, but he found something more valuable and lesson about kindness. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget subscribe and tell me in the comments how it was the story. See you in the next video.